The term cardinal sin speaks to a serious error of judgment. Well, the West Indies under-19 cricketers committed 2 cardinal sins in today's quarter-final defeat to New Zealand, a result that led to the bitter exit from the World Cup. The first cardinal sin was not to bat out the 50 overs. They were bowled out in the 48th over with all of 13 deliveries wasted. That no work in a one-day cricket. There was a period where the young West Indies lost 5 wickets for 20-odd runs, not being prized out by brilliant bowling, but playing loose and unnecessary shots and giving away their wickets. But even after all of that, the bigger and even more cardinal sin was committed by the West Indies captain, Kimani Melius. The man had the best bowler in the tournament, Jaden Seals, on the field. And with New Zealand stuttering in the chase at 150-odd for 8, 2 tail-enders with 80-odd runs to get, and the big pace having bowled just 6 overs for 21 runs, the skipper go around him and give all kind of lollipop, dibbly-dabbly bowler the ball. West Indies ended up losing the game, and our best bowler going at just over 3 runs an over. We lose that match with our biggest bowler have 4 overs left to bowl. West Indies captain Kimani Melius should have get a public flogging for stupidity. You know what I mean? Public flogging. Mr. Public flogging. We should have beat him, man. Beat him, man. You give her a World Cup, my boss.